morning, everyone. So today I am hiking the Gothic Basin, looking at about 10 miles with under 3,000 feet of elevation gain. It's going to be a beautiful day. Let's go. Well, that's where I came from. And that's where I gotta go. Alright, made it up to a little scramble portion here. I gotta get up that, so here we go. Alright, made it to the Gothic Basin. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Gothic Basin. Alright, time to do some exploring. Here we go.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Alright, so that is where I had lunch up there. And over here is where I made that little scramble to get up and over to that point. myself out of hiking today. It's insane. But this morning I woke up, I was like, screw it, I'm going hiking. Best decision I've ever made in my entire life. It's a beautiful hike, beautiful up there. And if any of my adventure buddies ask me if I want to come back, I won't even hesitate. It'll be an absolutely yes. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.